In this video, we will learn how to draw double y-axis curve using OriginPro in a very efficient manner. So let's start. First, we'll open our worksheet and we have to make the three columns x, y and y. You need to remember the first column should be x and both next column should be y, and you can directly paste your values in the columns from the Excel. To make any column in x into y, you can right click and select the set as x, y or z, whatever you want. Then you have to select all the three columns, and by using the control plus A, then after selecting all the columns, you just click on the uh, right mouse button, and then you will get an option of this plot, and then choose for multi curve and double y, and then click. Your curve will be drawn within a fractions of seconds, and this is how the curve will look like. You can see over there. Now if you can see, there are three axes. Horizontal bottom axis is x-axis and two y-axes are there on the left and right. Now when there's one important thing, that the legends written on the, or you can say captions written on the axes, that can be changed from here only. You can see I'm changing the right y-axis, and I'll show you intensely that we can write two things, I mean same things on the any axis. You can see I wrote I just revised the x-axis, and again I am writing the same a for the left y-axis. So that represents that anything you want to make a change, you can do it quickly over here also. Now you can export this curve, and once you export this curve will look like as shown over here, and that's done. Your task is done now. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.